Flagman says 1 to go. So we're going to go racing next time by. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Darrell Williams pulls it into the field as Kurt Neiswanger, also known as Abraham Lincoln, is going to bring the field around. They're going to pick up speed. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And Kurt Neiswanger's smoking right off the get-go. Hopefully he doesn't get any worse. Keegan Rodden in that 68 Firebird went every which way but straight. And here comes the Cale Yarbrough throwback of Josh Cavan. Cavan doing a lot of work on his car. I know he definitely wants to have a good night tonight, but Greg Batelli is going to challenge him for second place. Chris Mingy in the 10 car off the pace still. It's doing better. A little, he's about, rear end just about came around on him. As Ryan Smith now challenging Keegan Rodden for, looks like 5th place there. But it's going to be Kurt Neiswanger to bring him around. But man, he is smoking. Greg Batelli going to take the lead now. Greg Batelli, your new leader. Josh Cavan going with, and Ryan Smith spins out all by himself. Let's see if we can get it going so we can keep him racing. We are going to keep him racing, but Kurt Neiswanger definitely having a problem with that 19 car. He's going to have to pull it in the pits. So Greg Batelli, your new leader, and the rear end, whoa, almost came around him. Rod Roush in second, closing on your leader, Josh Cavan, looking to gain some ground as well. And then there goes Keegan Rodden. That is a 68 Firebird in that 88 car. All right, so one of the cars just got black flagged here. I think it may have been a 25. They just black flagged. It was going to come around this time here. But it's going to be Batelli to bring it around. Yellow flag as Ryan Smith spins out again, and whoa, look out. Once again, Ryan Smith, a rookie in the series, first time out racing in that 50 car in the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners. Ryan Smith also runs in the original Sixers race as well. When you go ahead and, I don't know what's going on out there. I'm talking about the trash, and Greg Batelli took off like he was at a horse track there. So Flagman's going to say, hey, it's not green flag yet. You got to get over here. Okay. It's just, you know, first time out this year. You get some jitters. Sure. So once again, Rockford Speedway fans, when you leave tonight, if you could please, if you have any trash, just throw it away in the trash containers. They are all around the on the main concourse area. Just throw it away. But Greg Batelli is really trying to run away, and I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, they're going to say okay. And it's going to be Rod Roush to go after Greg Batelli right away. And Keegan Rodden and Josh Cavan getting close there. Rodden looks like he's going to drop back just a little bit there. But here comes Rod Roush. That sounds like a game show host, Rod Roush. I think they used to have one named Rod Roddy, I think, on The Price is Right or something like that. All right, so Rod Roush looking to the inside of Greg Batelli. Greg Batelli, I think he said one of our Bahama Brackets drivers. So it's either that or the Goblin 250, one of the two. But he's driving Kevin Memeli's, normally a number 3 car. Tonight it's number 8. Rod Roush bringing it on. Oh, almost right into the back of him. Looks like he may have said, hey, get moving. White flag out this time for Greg Batelli. Rod Roush is right there. We may have a race for the win. Let's find out what's going to happen. Everybody else kind of trailing off. Josh Cavan doing what he can to hang on to third as Ryan Smith is going to try to catch Keegan Rodden. Okay, let's find out who's going to win. But that's going to be Roush with a hard dive bomb move. Isn't going to work as Greg Batelli's going to get the win. Roush for second. Third's going to go to Josh Cavan. Fourth is going to be Tinker. They call him Tinker. That's Keegan Rodden in that 68 Firebird. And fifth is going to be Ryan Smith. So that's going to be, that's your finishers there for the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners. All right.